am I? The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Oops. Well, okay. Good morning. Welcome to MightyOxTrading. For some reason, my chart's not sure. There we go. Hey, there we go. Yay. Hey, good morning. Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Happy Tuesday. That's right. Holiday yesterday. Hope everyone had a good long weekend. Is ready for a great week. I have totally forgotten how to stream. Where is my thing? There it is. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Secret. How are you guys today? Let me get some things in order here that I kind of like just wigged out on. On technical difficulties, please stand by. There we go. Okay, that's done. That's done. That's done. Good morning, John C. Nice to see you. That's done. Now, one more thing. There we go. There we go. Okay, now we're ready to rock and rumble. Let's see how the markets did overnight, shall we? So you see ES came down, and NQ came down, and then bounced back up, but we're still down. High on AS 48.13, low 47.85, so 13 plus 15, 28 points in range. NQ high 965, low 811. Big range there on NQ, so about 150 points in range. Kappa. About 70 ticks in range. Gold coming down. Big fall, about 21 points in range there overnight. Ultra Bond. Yeah, looks like about 3/4 of a point in range. Crude oil up. About 120 ticks of range. Natural gas moving up. Bitcoin. Oops. Bitcoin got back about 43, but a big drop from where it was when the ETFs were released last week. So that's why you sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Right now we're sitting at 16,909 on NQ. ES at 48, just above 48 at 48.02, and Dow at 37,732. We are going to be using back to a 3-minute chart for the NQ. Lots of back testing this weekend, and I'm happy with where I'm at right now, I believe. We shall see. Oil pump. Oh, oil pump. Boom. New high a day there. Whoa, 55 ticks up. Let's see. Let's check news this morning and see if there's something that caused that. I don't see anything popping yet. Other new other gusher, yeah, definitely a gusher. Uh, at 8:15, Canadian housing starts. That's not going to move the market. At 8:30, we have Canadian CPI, and that might. Plus New York Fed manufacturing, and a bunch of other Canadian news, and that's it for the morning. Besides a few earnings calls. And at 11 o'clock, we have a Fed speaker. Still going up. New high of day, 73.56. NQ pulling down a little bit. Morning, JC. How you today? Oh, no chasing. Doing good. This chilly morning. All right, Secret. Hope the calculated bet works out. Everybody enjoy their long weekend. Do anything fun. I got extra sleep and I did charting. Over the weekend, Seeker, were you trading crypto? It's definitely been cold. Let's see, where are we at this morning? One night, I think it was probably Friday night. I don't know, Saturday night. It got down to like negative. The wind chill is negative 38 here. Secret, you need to find something else. I mean, I'm no one to talk, but you need to find a little break there. You're gonna burn yourself out. Let's see, it's -1 here right now. The wind chill of -17. Also play with AI over the weekend. And I made a nice, cool little commercial for Topstep. What did I, man? Oh, wow, where'd that yawn come from? I'm tired, obviously. Doing all right? Sorry, usually I mute before yawns pop out. That one just got away from me. That's correct, man. A purple candle there. Yeah, missed it. How was I not paying attention to that? I don't know. Anyway, oh, right back up anyway. How far did it come down? A bean short. Oh, yeah, I see that nice pop up there. It's a good place for a pullback. So I was yawning and I missed this short. See what it does. Hey, Mr. G, good morning. Excellent job, G. I saw the euro falling fast last night. I guess most of the currencies were. I looked at this last night. I'm like, wow, just straight down. It looks like it really kept going down. Yeah, it was interesting. G. Yeah. You can see this would have given me at least 5 so far. And like I said, just missed it. I could have got in and then next. Watching JC's bean trade. Gold crush. Oh yeah, big move down there on gold. Try to bounce back up, but 6 points down on that 5-minute candle. Whoosh. Crude pulled back some, about 40% of that candle, I would say. I thank everyone for joining me on this chilly Tuesday morning. If you're enjoying the stream or you're expecting to enjoy the stream, I appreciate you hit that thumbs up button to the YouTube algorithm. Yep, so definitely missed that purple candle. Upset about that, but hey, like I said, next. Oh, ouch. Beans pop back up. Nice. Very nice. Dollar is very strong. Just watching here. Waiting for the next move since I missed this one. Didn't want to chase it. Should have chased it, but I didn't. News in 10 minutes, not a lot. Mostly Canadian, plus the New York Fed manufacturing. Yep, we do have that to think about as well. If that happens, we should see the market fall. I can't say we will see it fall. Because every now and then, like, negative news makes the market go up, and then you're gonna all get confused. So anyway, this purple candle was my trigger here, and you can see I should have taken it. Would have gotten my 10 points. We'll get the next one. Ultra Bond just opened. Pulling down just a tad. So after this nice rise up since about 5:30 a.m. Eastern, now we see the pullback. So we head toward the bell in about an hour and a little bit. Look at that beautiful move down. Yep, Ultra Bond just made a new daily low, just as this JC's saying that. Yeah, beans. You still in that beans trade, JC? Down, up, down. I would take that short there if it holds. Excellent. Or 745. So you can see from my trigger, I would have entered around 898. It's already come down to 876. Continuing to drop. At the 100 EMA now on, that's past it on the 5 now and hitting it on the 3. So I'm looking to make plays off either the 3 or the 5, with the 3 being the primary. Five minutes until news. Maybe a little bounce there. Nice bounce. Let's see where it goes from here. Couple minutes till our little bit of news of the morning. Start spreading. Maybe what? Well, that's odd. Anyone else having a rhythmic issue? JC, you're connected with rhythmic? Well, I guess, wait a minute. Is anybody having a rhythmic apex issue? Guess I can go check there. Got news coming up in a little bit. I just reconnected. Apex told me I was disconnected me, saying I was connected someplace else. Let's go check out Apex's Discord. Hanging around 16,884. Not seeing anything else. I'm not sure what caused that. See if it happens again. Ooh, little burst up there on the news. And right back down. Oh, 884 up to 899, back down to where it started, but still trying to push up. Gold trying to rebound a little bit. Crude oil, yeah, almost gave that entire move back. Natural gas, big fall there. Yeah, there's NQ moving up. Blue candle. Blue candle for certain. More wick than body, giving it back. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? How's your weekend? Are you frozen? Okay, let's figure it out why my apex dropped there. All good. Blue candle, 4 seconds. Let's go for it. I'm not logged in, am I? Nope. Try to remember everything, and you don't always forget. Wrong. There we go. Logged in, just to come on. Give it to me. There we go. There we go. So target hit. You didn't get to see much of it. Wasn't much at all, but we got 10 points there to start the week. So a $200 trade. Okay, give me a minute, Crip. Just so we finish that trade. First trade of the day, 200. Still going. I didn't even look at what the ATR was. The ATR is 10, so I'm happy with that trade. You can see there's a rising up here big time. 30 points since that news. So I guess that New York Empire State Fed manufacturing, whatever I'm trying to say, was good news. Hold on. Canadian CPI was right on point. And New York Fed manufacturing. Whoa. Mr. G, are you still here? New York Fed manufacturing negative 43.7. They expected negative 5. That seems like a really big miss. That's a horrible number economically. Griff, that's awesome. Hold on. So while this is going straight up, real quickly, this is what Crypticon and his kid did the other day, I guess. As soon as I find my software. That's pretty cool, Crypt. What'd you do for the? How'd you make the eyes red, Crypt? Just spray paint, or was there something, or what did you use there? Yeah, that is pretty awesome. Thanks for sharing that, Crypt. For anyone that might be new, we are a community here. We are a family. We are a team. We are a herd. So sometimes we do share things about, from our activities as well. I could have got so much more out of that trade, but I'm happy with that 10 points. It was my strategy. I went with my ATR. Oh, okay. You should share that on the Discord too, Crypt. Yeah, yeah, I recognize that. That's pretty awesome to be able to do out of snow. That took some time and some talent. I was gonna say, yeah, I'm sure you had to break a little bit to warm up. Although I guess Friday it wasn't as bitterly cold yet. Hopefully, a few cups of hot chocolate there once you got done. So still rising up here. A little bit of a pullback. Oh, by the way, JC, sorry to hear you got stopped out of that trade. Tea, that's better than hot chocolate. Nice blue candle. Waiting for this candle to close. I switch back to the 3. I do think I can maybe at some point in the future go back to the 1, but I might just be happy with the 3 and the 5. Sitting here waiting for a 3-minute candle to close can be torturous sometimes. So we're in long off that blue candle on the 3. Looking for a continued move up. Stops 10 points. My only hesitation on this trade was the fact that the wick did rub the bands, but it seems like the bands are expanding again. They never really got too close, so that's another concern. We'll see. More than 45 minutes to the bell. A little bit of a pullback here. Like technically, my stop should be at 16 even, and it's a 16.75. So we'll move it and follow our plan. If I can get it there. There we go. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out. Maybe not. This is why I'm mad at myself for not getting more out of this trade because I hate this one-to-one stuff right now. I'm using right now, but we'll see. Bobbing here. Do 5-minute candle opens here. That looks like a pullback candle for sure up there on the 5. Let's see what happens. Stopped out. So now we're down 23 on the day. Bummer, bummer. So now I could have went short off that. Both. You see this red candle here, like kind of stopped me out. Was a band bounce, and I could have got it right back. Didn't give me a colored candle, but the 5-minute gave me the same candle basically. So I should have rebounded there, but I didn't. No problem. I mainly looked at my my blue and purple candles over the weekend. Down to 20. See if it bounces back up. Popping up a little bit. Back up, back up. Yeah, try to come right back down there. Little green candle. I don't want it. I don't want it. So crude, that little blow up and it gave it all back. Ultraviolet bounced a little after making a new low a day. But coming back down now. And gold. Oh, wow. What a rebound there on gold. That big move down and right back up. Purple candle. We are still above my yellow line, so I'm not looking at it yet. Hey, John. How are you doing, my friend? I'm doing good. I got one win and wiped it out with a loss, so purple candle here. They haven't looked so good since October. I totally expected them to lose. Hey, DFT. We're short off that purple candle. Might be a mistake. Keep our target there at right at that 100 EMA, 200 EMA. Mr. G, I read that like Scooby-Doo. Ruh-roh. Hey, Ace, good morning. A little early this morning, Ace. Trash out? Or does it go today because of the holiday yesterday? Yeah, the Eagles just, I'm not sure. They fell up after going 10. Thing is, they got to 10-1, but I like a lot of those games felt like they could have also been losses, even getting there. So, I don't know. They need they need a shake up on that team, I think. Colder here, Ace. It's -1. I'm not aware of a firing. I'm still waiting for the Cowboys to fire their coach. Uh, Saturday night, Ace, we had a wind chill of -38. Yeah, that window's fixed. The house is still very drafty, but the window's fixed. My power bill's still down by like $200 compared to last year. Last year, my gas and electric was $500 a month. Now it's 307. Yeah, true. True Ace, but still, I mean, when that wind is able to, like I said, this house is very drafty, so make the wind when the wind's blowing definitely makes it harder to heat. I want this to drop, 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 drop. Yes, yes, I am, Ace. Partially thanks to you. If this candle closes blue, well, never mind. Ah, ignore that. I forgot I still had that my funded futures nightbot running. Oops. Come on. It's playing around here at 16,891, right around my entry. Trade is not giving me the warm and fuzzies as we head toward the top of the hour. Gonna reduce a little bit of risk and put it right above that 20 EMA. At a 10-point stop. A little more than 10. 10 and a half. Hoping for a little burst down at the top of the hour, but blue candle likely to burst up. And there it goes. See if it gets back through 16,900 here to stop me out. Oh, hits that 20 EMA and bounces down. Nice. Come on back down. Still playing. There we go. Now we're stopped out. So, probably should have just got out when that blue candle formed, but Now we got a blue candle on the 5. Ah, look at that. If that comes up there and comes back down, I'm gonna be upset. So all of a sudden the market's lost some oomph. Okay, it's not where it wants to go. No more news this morning to a Fed speaker at 11 a.m. Okay, purple candle trying to form there. See what happens. Got 50 seconds. We're kind of hanging here. No Sid Chase yet this morning. Yeah. Okay, so once again, now I'm gonna have to beat myself because, like my stop was on top of this purple candle. I moved my stop down to the EMA. You can see it came up, broke the EMA, and right back down, and now I would be back in profit on this trade. And the original target was the 100. Let's see if it gets there. Meanwhile, let's run an ad. Ouch. So we're just still hanging around, right around that 890, which is where I was in before. Waiting, waiting, waiting. It's a waiting game. Have a great day, JC. What Crude do at its open? Crude bounced a little at its open. Ultra Bond, ooh, falling, just as JC predicted earlier. And gold falling back. NQ's is glued to this spot right now. Ace, I hope you get a runner today because I got a surprise if you do. Oh, popping back up with the blue candle. Oh, all the blue. Well, still just, not doing much as we are about 18 minutes until the bell. I must just say, we're like in this weird range right now. Watching and waiting. Everyone got way quiet. We're hunting points. Excuse me. Sorry, didn't get muted in time there. Bitcoin back under 43,000. The Russell. Well, the Russell had a nice pop up there. Russell's kind of not doing the same thing that the others are doing. I should have been watching the Russell too. Could have got a couple of Russell trades. Russell. Moore Burrow, how are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. Can't get back above the 20 with not really moving in much in the downward direction either. Stuck in the range as we head toward the bell. Now we're starting to move down. So, see where it goes. See if it actually moves all down. 100 EMA still looms down there. Up, there we go. So I can be a little bit frustrated myself. I was in this trade. My original stop was up here at the top of this purple candle. I moved my stop down to the 20 EMA, got stopped out when it spiked up here. And you can see now it just hit that 100 EMA, which is what I was targeting. So if I hadn't moved my stop, I would have hit a target. Now, it would have been still a terrible risk to reward. The original risk to reward was only about, it was an 18-point stop, 10-point target, which I didn't like, which is kind of why I moved my stop. But that terrible risk to reward would have got me a win for like 8 or 9 points. All right, going long on gold. Let's see what's going on here. All right. Good luck on that DFT. What was your entry on a DFT, if you don't mind my asking? And you can see how it just touched that 200 EMA and then whoosh back up. 45. All right. And keep bouncing back up. We are 7 minutes or so until the bell. A little under 8 minutes till the bell. So we'll watch DFTs trade. It's kind of not wanting to move much. AQ being beaten back down. Crude oil having a very bipolar day. Big up, big down, back up. Natural gas falling pretty fast though. Ultravine slightly new low day there. There's gold ticking up for DFT. See if we can, that 100 EMA is sitting at 2045 half on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we can break through there. Break on through to the other side. Ooh, nice. Oh, did you hit your target? I'm seeing 2040. Yeah, looks like you got target, right? Excellent, DFT. Congrats. Ace, aren't you glad YouTube types out that name for you instead of having to do it manually? And Q finally push it up here. Back up to 16.9. DFT, how did you decide on your name? Nice candle here. Could have played that bounce off the 100 EMA, 200 EMA if I thought about it. I didn't think about it until now, 2 candles later. Okay. So I was just wondering, no need to go into the story if you don't want to, or it's hard to. I know some things can be very hard to explain in text. That's easier to explain in voice. So Ah, okay. Yeah, as Ace said, 2 minutes to go. RJ's not here. No RJ, no Sid. uh, I guess we're gonna have to. Glad he's not the one with the keys. Nice rise up here right before the bell. And pulls down here. After shot up real quick, the 925 shoots back down to 910. ES at 48 is hanging right around 4,800. And there's a burst up. 930. What's their high today? I think we might have hit high today. No, not even close. High of the overnight was the very first opening candle at 965. ES, our high is at 4813. So got a ways to go before we get there. See us rising up here. Boom, up to boom, 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 935. 4804 on ES. Still rising. Up to 940. Pulls back. Tired. And gets it all back. Red candle. We're short in ES. I'm not. Aces. Oh yeah, it reminds me, Ace, you missed it. I did take on Friday after you were gone. I took a winning trade on ES. Yep. I was even like, Ace is gonna be so happy, but you were gone, and I never got to tell you, and it made me feel empty the entire weekend. Oh, just kidding. And Q popping back up. Down to update 9. Yeah, easy for me to say. 9:30. 2 and out, no runner. And Q pulling back here on the 3. Back up to green. 9:32. Dow down 41 points. Gold's down. Ultra bond popping up. Nice blue candle there. Would have given a nice 7-tick win there. Crude oil, kind of mid-range, trying to figure out what it wants to do with its life. All right, we're back, I think. Yes. That was annoying. Glad I wasn't in a trade for that. Can y'all hear me? Am I okay? Yeah, hit that live button to get back to the live broadcast. Lost internet for about 30 seconds. Big pullback here. Big old purple candle. That's a really big purple candle. We're going to micros on this. If it holds. It might actually be too big. Short on micros, top left-hand corner on this. That's my micro chart. ATR is 15 out of the target of 15. I got almost to my target. Hit that 20 EMA. Crap. Come on, push down, push down, push down, push down. It's bouncing on that EMA. Ah, back to red. How about that? Bounced on that 120, 200 EMA on the 5. Let's see if it goes back down for me. There we go. Another nice push. Look at that. Oh, again hits that EMA. We're gonna get out. We'll take that win there. Doesn't want to get through that EMA. So ended up being a 8-point win. 8.25. I'll take that. It's pushing through, but that's okay. Let's see. My target would have been 12 minus 15, 97. Really? Well, we got with a tick of my target and pull back. Let's see if it gets there. Thank you, Ace. Yep, there it got. So I still need to be more patient, but we're getting there. There's a nice trade. Now, I even tell myself when I take a trade like this, now, this is the 3-minute. I was looking at the 5-minute, but because it was on micros, this is 3-minute. Just let that first candle run. Don't even put a profit target on it. I'll put a big profit target. If it hits 50 points or whatever, take it. Just let that first candle run, and you can see here, if I had, this would be a 24-point candle so far. So, but getting better, getting better, getting better. Look at that go. Dang it. Short crude. Hey, DFT, Kels is decided, or Kels, whatever his name is, decided to retire per reports. Crude 72.67. Excellent. That's moving out nicely for you. Bounce there on NQ. Off that band. They all should have been crying last night after that game. Oh, I'm hungry. A nice bounce here, big bounce. Still below my signal line though. Crude, what's crude doing? Oop, bounced. What was your target on that DFT? Are you still in? Hey, Gregory. Yeah. All right. Yep. Bouncing back down. And Q's still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. ES heading toward a low day here. 47.85. It's about 3 points away. Just trying to bounce again. Definitely not a trend day so far. Up and down, up and down. Just checking on crude. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Come on, drop, 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 drop. Ooh, that Ultra Bond bounce failed. Up, up, up. Oh, what did I just do? Oops. Oh, there we go. Accidentally pull. Come on. What the heck? There we go. Excellent DFT. Beautiful. You're having a great day. Ah, tried to trade the holiday, huh? Blue candle bounce, but back up to the 100 EMA. Hits that 100 EMA or 200 EMA and bounce back down. $100 EMA. Why do I keep saying 200? It's the 100. Pushes back down off that bounce off that 100. Gold coming down, back down to 2040. Still falling down to 855. What did I say the low was? 829, I think. 811. Where did I come up with 829? But ES, new low a day. Dow low, new low a day. Gold falling. Ultra bond falling. Crude falling. Everything is falling. Crude just about at its low day. Free falling. Little bounce here on NQ. It's probably like we don't want to hear him sing. Few minutes till top of the hour. Hanging around 877 right now. Blue candle there on the 5. Yeah, but right at that 100 EMA. So we're kind of waiting. It's pushing through. Of course it is. There we go. Pushing up. Break of the 20 back up. Still below the signal line though. Pushing back down. Oh, right back up. Yeah. For kicks and giggles, let's take 5 micros on this. $15-point target. Well, actually, what's our ATR? 21. Wow. Okay, I'll stick with the 15-point target. Come on. You got within 7 ticks of my target. Come on. There we go. Worst feeling in the world. Comes all the way back. Oh, wow. But of course, if you go out a little bit later, that'll be the day they come on time and you miss the bus. Struggling to get through 905 area. Why aren't their parents making sure they're wearing coats? Target hit. There we go. 15 points. You know, I'm getting upset. You know, both micro trades have worked out. if I had taken them as minis, I would be up a big, nice number now today. Thank you, DFT. So back down to only being down $23 on the day. We were here before, actually. So that's a 15-point win. I would have been $300 on a mini, but thank you, Ace. Thank you, DFT. Having fun. I'm getting more and more confident with my system. I mean, after I did spend about 30 hours this weekend charting, so I should be getting comfortable with it. Still going up to 924. High since the open was 946. Overnight high 965. Gold leveling out. Ultra bond now once again trying to bounce. Crude oil got all the way down to its low a day and bounced. So it double bottomed there. Looks like with the overnight low. Good. Now get in the house and get warmed back up, Ace. Or are you going for your run? Good. Nice bounce there on gold. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream today, I would appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Pulling back a little bit here. Purple candle. RSI and signal line nodding up there. Still above the 100 EMA. Still about an hour to go in the stream. Looking to get back to green. $94.25, all right. Yep, it wasn't born to run. Blue candle on the 5. But it's 4 minutes to go on that one. Let's see what the 3-minute gives us. Coming back down. Market's unsure of itself. What? Falling down. Death. Pulling back here. Give me a second. I'm preventing a friend from ruining our life. No, but I've seen her do that. So big blue candle on the 5 pulls back here a little bit. Let's see here. See if it comes back up to entry point. There we go. I'm late as usual. 9:24. Got it 9:26. I'm a little late. Let's see. I might give back on this. Probably a bad decision to get in there right after I just kind of like jumped in, but see if this continues up here. Did do it with micros, so if it ends up being bad. Theoretically, my stop should be all the way down the bottom of that candle. I don't want it all the way down the bottom of that candle. ATR here on the 524, ATR on the 3 is only 23. Hesitating here, looking for basically high day, right below high day for this target. Again, the target should be more like 20, but I'm happy with 15 here as I try to get to green on the day. Pushing up again. No, I shouldn't say high day, high in the morning. High since the bell. Again, it did too. It's got within 2 points of my target. It likes to play with me. There we go. Target hit. Look at that. Now we're up 119 in the morning. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, DFT. I'm really getting comfy with my system now. I got to stop playing with micros and go back to my minis, but other than that, yes, it has. I was down like 243, so I came back from 243 down to one, whatever I just set up, 119 up. Have a great run, Ace. Don't freeze to death. Don't want to hear that you were found on a trail as a popsicle. They're probably more dangerous depending how well they're salted or icy or all that stuff. Fine, don't fall and don't fall on the ice and get run over by a bus that's late. Hold on 1 second. I'm back. Yeah, I'm killing you many different ways, Ace. Have a great day. Still rising up, thinking above that high a day or high in the morning, heading up to that 965. ES back up to 4,800. ES has been lagging a little compared to NQ, you can see. See where we're at elsewhere. Crude. Ooh, wow. Big move down on crude. I must admit, with everything going on in the Middle East, I am shocked that crude has not like just totally blown up to like $100 a barrel. Nice little bounce there on the Ultra Bond. Gold, ew, totally rangy. Copper coming down. Agriculture coming down. And Q rising up here, trying to get to the high day. So I'm taking my trades, but I'm still not going for my exact plan. So, off a 5-minute chart, the way I should have done this is, I'll show you here. Long position, boom, there. My target, my stop should have been down here, at least to the bottom of that candle, so about 25 points. And then my ATR here was 24, so at least a 20-point target, or 25. Now, I prefer better than 1-to-1, but my testing so far, I haven't been able to guarantee that. Now, my other thought is following up. So once this candle finished, I could have put my stop there and just break even stop, and then I could have still been in on this. And you can see, as we just did get a new high day there, 968. As you can see, if I had done that, now I would be up like 40 points. So I'm still, I'm going for smaller targets and using smaller stops than I should. But we'll continue to work on that. You can see here, based on my strategy, this is the 5-minute chart. So I'm using both the 3 and the 5, just playing off the 5. This purple candle would have worked. This blue candle would not have been an actual trigger because it was below the 20, below the signal line. This purple candle was a trigger, but we're right above the 100 EMA. So if I would have took it, would have only had to put a target down there, would have only been 5 points. This purple candle here, beautiful. And then both of these blue candles would have been wins, or are wins, whatever. So you can see how just following that strategy, I should have had 4 wins today and no real losses. And then if you want to throw in a 5th and a 6th, this one right here was a perfect trigger, but not a purple, but a perfect trigger coming out of the bands, big wick. And look at NQ running now. up to 974. That one with another nice trade right there. And then this green candle bounce off the 100 could have been another nice win. So all those were valid entries, but the colored candles, the blue and the purple, were the ones I most look at. And you can see, now I'm green for the day, but I should be way more green if I, following the plan. See, this is 50 points now, 50 plus points off that blue candle on the 5. Now you see that the 1 technically did not give us a trigger. I'm sorry, not the 1, the 3. But it kind of pulled back to this. This is, I look at this as a possible trigger as well, the way it bounced off that 20. Still rising. So straight out green candles. Look at that. Boom. Heading up towards 16, trying to get up to 16, no, up to 17,000. Leveling out a little bit here. So I'm actually excited that, my plans are working, my stack testing is working. I'm finally feeling confident. Got to get confident in the stops and the targets, but we'll get there with that. And then also increasing size because this is a big account and I don't want to have to pay for the renewal. Yep, still going now. 993, 94, 99. There's 17,000. Straight up. Straight up. Tell me will you love me forever. So we got up to 17,003. Pulls back now. Look at that. On the 3-minute chart, we had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 out of 12 green candles. So it's hanging around 17,000. Crude oil bounced a little bit. Vulture bond moving up nicely. And gold has just decided to take the day off. Headed out early. Watching it here. Waiting for something. Technically, that red candle there was kind of a trigger in the 5-minute and even in the 1-minute. For some reason, I just didn't trust it. Awesome, DFT. Yeah, I would love to trade with a bot, but can't find anyone to code that. And some of my programs don't. Well, they allow it to a point. Some of it allow it totally. Some of it you're allowed to enter at the bot, but you still gotta manually set your target and stop. Blue candle on the 5, pretty up there. Blue candle on the 3 too, for that matter. Interesting place here. My RSI is up to 95, which is a little bit of a red danger zone, but my signal line's not even at 80, so it's like, Oh yeah, I understand. Trust me, DFT. I mean, if you look at my strat with the back testing I did, my strat's pretty easy too, and you can still see I'm still not setting them up the way I should. So we're gonna go micros on this trade if this blue candle holds. I don't know. It's struggled here at 17,000, right on an even number. Yeah, I'm not taking the trade. Watch this blow up. So if I have been back testing, I would have marked this as one I should have taken. So we'll see what happens. Right now, it has not made me regret my decision. I might be getting close. Thing is, it's giving me more opportunities to get in as it keeps coming back to that entry point. But I'm not gonna jump in. It's either gonna burst up or it's gonna totally reject. Rejecting now down to 16,995. So yeah, if I had if I had gotten in the trade there, I would be down by 8 points right now. Just about at the stop based on that blue candle. Stop would be at 91.25. Got down to 92. Saved you all from the sneeze of doom there. Up there. See, I would have got stopped out. So hey, I was right. Purple candle on the 5. Still got 3 minutes on it. And we're coming down. Come on down. Pushing back up though, back up to 84. Yep, right back up. So purple might even be going away here. Let's see what happens. Still got a minute on this candle. Yep, there the purple went away. Blue candle there, but there's one spot I hate taking either purple or blue candles when they're hanging. They're nowhere near the bands and nowhere near the 20, just kind of floating. Floating. So one thing I tend to do when we're up high like this is I just constantly think we're going to get a pullback. Going to, not, it's just going to, I think it can't go any higher. It's got to, start coming down. and thus I ended up getting myself in trouble because I, go short and get stopped out multiple times. So while I'm thinking of here that I don't want to go longer, even though we're heading up higher. Um, like I'm not going to take this blue candle, but I am also not going to just jump at any short either. It does kind of look like a bullish flag pattern, doesn't it? We're up to 17,016, which is high day, of course. ES has gotten up to 48.13. I think ES finally got up this. Wow, look at ES's candle. Boom. Yeah, ES finally got above its high day. Dow's still lagging. I wanted to take a little bit of chance. This candle here that was all wick, very little body, was indicating buying coming in. I could have taken a long there, but I don't like to take longs off red candles. Blue candle. I said I'm not going to take it. It has gone 7 points. Let's see if it's going to make me regret my decision. ATR here is 22, so it means I would have looking for. I should have been looking for at least 20 off of this, but being up so high, 10 would have been, and would have given me 10. Well, depending on slippage, it's gone 10 points, one tick so far. Pulls back over, so it got up to 17,023, pulled back to 1710, 010. 15 minutes ago in the stream. I love that I got another trade, but not going to force it. We're up just under 120 on the day. Still trying. Crude, new low of day. Alter bond up to the 20 EMA on the 15th, kind of struggling. And gold pushed up a little bit higher. Yep, still going. Still going. Still going. Yep, there breaks 25. So this candle would have worked. This candle would have worked. So still a bit hesitant. Pushing up. 17,029. So it's continuing up. Rising up, as they say. Rising up. Let's see. We find a top. 17,033. Maybe not. Pull down to 25. Let's see where it goes. I don't know where it's going. But it doesn't want to give up the top. Yeah, back to green. See, all these blue candles is tempting me, and I feel, I mean, our signal line's up to almost 90. And that to me is a big danger zone. This one so far, that one would have went like, well, it would have went 9. So of these 4 blue candles, if we look at them, I blew up the wrong chart. I blew up the 5-minute. This one, obviously, that one wouldn't have worked, but then this one, you know, this entry of it around 17.012, it went up 20 points from there. So that wouldn't have been the one that worked. This one, going up 9, and then we are getting another one here. It's still trying to tempt me. It's like, we want to stop you out, so we're gonna continue to throw blue candles until you jump in. How rude. Back up to 33. 5 minutes ago in the stream, not a lot of people here. I don't know, I need to do something about audience retention. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. It's like a police car. Slight purple on the 5. There we go. That's a pullback. Purple candle. Slightly green. 1722. Let's see if it comes back down. Fight is at 23. We're short 5 micros. Stops at the high. Shorts based off not the 5 minute, but the 1 minute. The purple candle on the 1. I'm sorry, on the 3, not the 1. I'm so used to using the 1 and having it over here. There we go. 5 minute candle closes in 10 seconds. We're gonna move our stop to the top of that 5 minute candle. So that's technically a trigger candle. Oh, ouch, that candle. Oh, wow. Wow, nice. We got ourselves a win to end the day. Another 15-point win on 5 micros. I got scared when it popped up like that, but whoosh, right down. We're finishing the morning at 263.16. Nice. So after going down by 243, we're up by, what did I just say? I wish I had a memory anymore. 263. So that's about a $500 turnaround. And mostly using micros. I went to micros for the last 3 or 4 trades. So it's a good morning here on MightyOxTrading. And actually, I mean, I could have used this as a trigger, just stayed in. I should have, because you see it's coming. Wow, look at this fall. Wow, so it could be a much better trade. But anyway, hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hopefully another good day like this. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Wow, what the heck's going on? Hold on, before I go away. Oh, wait, we have a Fed speaker. Data in the last few months is allowing the Fed to consider cutting policy rate in 2024. Thought they wanted the policy rate to be cut. Okay, so the Fed speaker caused that crash. Thank you for that profitability. Anyway, talk to you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community.
Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day,